Why you should avoid moving the plunger side to side during plunging. When you plunge a drain, keep the motion strictly vertical so the cup maintains a tight seal and each stroke creates focused suction and pressure changes that dislodge the clog. Position the plunger so the cup fully covers the opening and press down slowly until you feel resistance, then pull up with the same steady force to create alternating compression and vacuum. Use long, deliberate strokes of consistent speed rather than short jerks. That lets water, not air, transmit the force, which is far more effective for moving debris. If the seal slips, adjust hand placement or add a little water to the bowl to improve the cup contact and prevent air gaps, which kill suction. Hold the plunger handle centered above the drain to prevent lateral drift that causes the cup edge to fold or let air in, which leads to splashes and loss of pressure. For stubborn clogs, alternate a few firm plunges with a pause to let water settle and test the flow rather than increasing sideways force, which only stresses the cup and can damage porcelain or plastic finishes. Common mistakes are stirring the plunger sideways, which breaks the seal and sends water splashing back, using short, weak strokes that do not create sufficient pressure change, and failing to center the handle so the cup tilts and leaks air. If you are moving side to side, reposition the cup and reestablish a flat contact, then resume vertical strokes only to restore effective suction and avoid splashing. If strokes are too weak, shift to slower, longer pushes and pulls that use the mass of the arm and torso to generate steady force while keeping the wrist firm. If the cup is tilting, lift, reseat, and ensure the handle is vertical above the drain before plunging again so the cup perimeter stays flush and pressure transmits evenly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us host a community where people share real-world tips about home repairs, including plumbing technique. We help contractors find work and let homeowners find multiple bids and peer discussion on projects and methods.